Let's put what you've learned about end of day and end of week planning into practice. It's easy, will only take 2 minutes. Here's what I want you to do. Open up your calendar, create a recurring 15-minute appointment called EOD planning, starting 15 minutes before you typically stop working Monday through Thursday, or whatever the first 4 days of your work you got. Then create a 30-minute recurring appointment. Call it EOW planning, starting 30 minutes before you typically stop working on Friday, or whatever the last day of the work week is. That's it. Great work. Now you are committing to making time to plan, so your day and weeks go a bit more smoothly, so that you accomplish more of what you set out to do, and so that you are able to disconnect from work and truly recharge. Thanks for tuning in to today's video. If you found these tips helpful in boosting your efficiency, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. For those of you looking to take your game to the next level, consider checking out the resources in the description to unlock exclusive strategies tailored just for you. And before you go, make sure to check out the next video on our channel for even more insights and techniques to supercharge your efficiency. Remember, with the right tools and mindset, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Until next time, stay focused and stay productive.